Hello friends, welcome to our channel Kastur Classes, and in this particular video I am going to discuss one practice problem based on the concept of list whatever we have discussed in our previous video. So in our previous video we have shown you how you can use index to find the first index position where a particular element in a list appearing for the first time. Okay, so like those concept we are going to use in solving this particular problem. Problem is taken from LeetCode, maximum 69 number. Problem number is 1323. Okay, so the problem says given a positive integer num consisting only digits 6 and 9, return the maximum you can get by changing at most one digit. 6 becomes 9 and 9 becomes 6. Okay, only one digit you have opportunity to change and you have to return the maximum one using that. Okay, suppose you consider the example test case 1. Our input is num equal to 9669. Output should be what? See, if we change this particular 6, we will be getting 9969, which is maximum number we can achieve by changing only one digit. Okay, just we are changing this particular second 6 from the left hand side to 9, we are getting this maximum. Okay, because here other options are given, like changing the first digit results in 6669, which is obviously lesser. Changing the second digit results in 9969. Changing the third digit results in 9699. Changing the fourth digit results in 9666. So maximum one we are getting in this case. Okay, when we are changing the second digit, so the maximum number is 9969. If you consider the example 2, 9996, output should be now 9999, because changing the last digit only will give you maximum number. When 6 becomes 9, all will be 9, so our job is done. But suppose 9999, no 6 is present, then you have to return output as it is. It is better not to apply any change. Okay, now try to think about one algorithm which can be used to solve this particular problem. Try whether it is check whether it is giving correct output or not. If it is giving correct output, well and good, but if it is not giving correct output, here I am explaining. Okay, no need to worry about that. So what we can do, algorithm is simple. We will start traversing from left to right, and where first 6 will appear, that only we will change to 9. In this way we will be getting the maximum number by changing at most one digit, right? This is quite obvious, simple math concept. Okay, so now to do this kind of change, what we will use, we will use the concept of indexing in list. Okay, so first of all what we will do, we will convert this number to string, and using that string we will make one list where each element of the character, each element of the list will be basically the character of the string or the digits of the number, we can say. Okay, then we will use index method to find where the first 6 is appearing. Where the first 6 is appearing, there we will change it to 9. Okay, because list is mutable. And after that what we will do, we will join the list, form a particular string, and that string will convert to integer, we will return. Simple, right? But before that we have to check whether 6, at least one 6 is present or not. Like here in this particular test case 9999, no 6 is present, so we need to return as it is. Okay, so what we will do, first step, a equal to str of num. Okay, because in our number we are passing this, so num. Okay, converted. Now if 6, I told you how to check whether a particular character is present in a string or not, in method. If 6 in a, then we will do something else part. What we will do, else we will return as it is, else return num. We will return the number without any processing. That means if 6 is not present, we will return as it is. Okay, if it is present, we will convert this to a list. Okay, then we will find the index where first 6 is appearing, and then we will change that corresponding list element to 9, and then we will join. Simple. Here we are not giving any delimiter because we have to form this number. In case of number there is no delimiter, right? Actually we are doing in the string domain, but after all processing we have to return the integer, na? So that I am not giving any delimiter. Don't do mistake here. and then we'll simply return, but we have to convert to integer. Okay, so now let us run the code and check whether it is successfully passing all this test case or not. Sample test case given. See some error we are getting. E dot index. Okay. This will be E equal to L dot index. Okay, we are finding the index. Okay. See, if our input is 9669, output is 9969, which is maximum, and expected is also 9969. Let me submit this and check whether it is giving. Yeah, see, status is success. Okay, so it is successfully applied on all the hidden test cases also. So this code can perfectly work on any test case. Okay, same code I am going to post in the description box or in the comment section. If you want, you can check there. This is all for my this video. Don't forget to check my previous video if you want to know about the index method, how it is used, and all this concept I have discussed earlier. See, for solving one problem we are using multiple concepts. Okay, that is string to list conversion, list to string conversion, then indexing in list, then finding index position in list, string to integer conversion, integer to string conversion. Okay, like this, all these things I have discussed. So for if you practice one problem, then your lots of previously studied concept will be brushed up. Okay, so basically that's what I say. Every time after learning one theory, whatever you study, one small method it may be, but practice one problem based on that concept, it will help you. And I am also trying to give one example based on all the methods or functions whatever I have discussed on each topic, whether that may be list, that may be string, that may be in binary domain, that may be in decimal domain, whatever. Okay, so this is all for my this video. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, comment. If you have not subscribed our channel till now, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of our latest video at the earliest. Thank you.